Picture this. Two chefs, two totally different ways to cook your recipe. One chef takes your recipe, translates the entire thing into their own language before even starting to cook. The other chef? They jump right in, cooking each step as they read it, without waiting for the whole recipe to be translated. It's like two worlds of cooking, and believe it or not, this is exactly how computers run your code. Let's break it down with a simple analogy. Imagine you've just written a brand new recipe for your favorite dish. You're excited to share it, but your chef only speaks a different language. What happens next? If you hand your recipe to a chef who insists on translating the entire thing into their language before they even touch a single ingredient, that's just like what a compiler does with your code. The chef spends time up front, making sure every instruction is crystal clear in their own words before starting to cook. Programming languages like C, C++, and Java use compilers. These compilers take your entire code, translate it all at once into machine language, the only language your computer truly understands. The compiler works through your code, line by line, but it doesn't run anything yet. It's like prepping all your ingredients and instructions before the cooking even begins. Once the translation is done, your computer can run the program super fast because everything is ready to go. The result? When you finally run your program, it's lightning quick. Plus, if there are any mistakes in your code, the compiler usually finds them all at once, before anything runs. It's like catching all your cooking errors before you even turn on the stove. But there's a catch. You have to wait for the whole compilation process to finish before you see any results. If your code is long or complex, this can take a while, just like waiting for a chef to finish translating a huge recipe before they start cooking. Now let's talk about interpreters. These are like chefs who don't bother translating the whole recipe up front. Instead, they read one line, cook that step, then move to the next line and repeat. Imagine a chef who reads, chop the onions, and immediately chops them. Then they read, saute the onions, and do that next. This is exactly how interpreted languages work. They execute your code line by line as soon as they read it. Languages like Python and JavaScript use interpreters. You write your code, and as soon as you hit run, the interpreter starts executing each instruction right away without waiting for the whole program to be translated. The big advantage? You get instant feedback. If there's a mistake, you find out right away, often as soon as you make it. This makes interpreted languages awesome for learning, experimenting, and fixing errors quickly. The downside? Interpreted code usually runs a bit slower because the interpreter has to read and execute each line every single time you run your program. Plus, you need the interpreter present every time you want to run your code, just like the chef needs the recipe in front of them for every step. So to recap, compiler languages like C and Java translate everything at once, making your program super fast to run later, but you have to wait up front. Interpreter languages like Python and JavaScript run your code line by line, giving you instant results and feedback, but usually at a slower pace. Both methods have their strengths. Compilers are great for big performance-heavy projects, while interpreters are perfect for quick testing, learning, and rapid development. Knowing the difference helps you pick the right tool for your coding adventure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more super simple coding tips from Codeverse Academy. We're here to make coding fun and easy for everyone. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time. Keep coding and keep exploring.